going on, everybody? My name is Zach, Realtor Real Estate 1 in Southgate. If you've been looking for a house in Wyandotte, you have to check out my new listing at 2719 22nd Street in Wyandotte. Let's go take a look. So what did you guys think? If you want to see more, come check out my open house on Saturday from 12 to 4. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to call or text me at 313-626-0598. Hope to see you there.